TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, this is Billy Ray Valentine reporting to you from Pismo Beach on WABCD. If you'll stay with me just 1 second, I will hold on just a second here. Stop the music. I've got to do something here to get this thing quiet, and then I'll be okay. There we go. Hold on. Here's where we are. This is where we were yesterday, folks. I talked about this on the 28th, 3 days ago. It was the worst day of breadth in the history of the stock market. Of the S&P 500, there were 385 issues down, 105 issues up. It was up slightly on the day, making it the worst breadth day ever out of the whole time it's been trading. That goes back into the late 40s when the S&P started trading. Dow Jones goes back, a couple hundred years. But that's what we're looking at right now. If the market closes at 683 and the S&P, last I saw it was around 650 or something, they will leave a gap in here. If it gaps down, you'd like to see it close at 683 or better. I don't want it to close below that because then it wouldn't leave an island, but that means it's going to be a weekly reversal anyway, which is quite a negative. Let me show you how negative it really can be, folks. We're going to take a quick look here now. And this is the Dow Jones. There's where we were Sunday. Okay. There's where we are now. See, we're almost at that level right now. If it closes right here and then gaps down, there was a 382 this morning, folks, from that high we made just yesterday. That was a 382 retracement. We're a couple hundred points under it. And that's just the Dow. If we look at the Russell, which is the one that we've been suggesting to short, it's been even worse. It's reversed everything. And that did that yesterday. We've already reported on that. And I'll bring it up here so you can take a quick look at it and see it. Bring it up here so we'll see it right there. Move it over just a little bit. Whoa, I got to do the hourly because it so goes back. Okay, there was the Sunday, folks. That was the Sunday gap. Look where we are now. Okay, look at the 382 retracement here. Another 382 retracement here this morning, folks, off of that high right there. This is not acting very good. Look where we are. We've already had a major weekly reversal on this in the Russell, and that's been the weakest. You'll see. There it is. It's reversed the whole week. Now, that's not a good sign. So we've got others, got the NASDAQ looking at it. But here's one that you have to make a believer out of me, folks. Now, I know I got not a lot. I got 3 emails, people telling me I was full of baloney about this bond thing with Meta. Well, somebody doesn't like it. You can see what's happened here. We had to move down, and then it rallied a little bit, and now it's down again. I don't know anything about it, folks. I'm just looking at price